I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a narrow niche and confirming you have 3 practical skills you can sell. This focuses effort. Once done, build a one-page portfolio with 2 clear sample projects that show outcomes, not just screenshots. Make your first offers short and fixed price, 1 to 3 hour tasks, so clients can try you with low risk. Explain deliverables and timelines up front. This reduces revisions and builds early credibility quickly. Once your basics exist, create one optimized profile per platform with keyword-focused headlines and a concise bio that states results. Then send 5 tailored proposals each week. Personalize, state the outcome, and include one clarifying question to screen serious clients. Make a repeatable workflow, templates for scope, time tracking, invoices, and commit to responding within 24 to 48 hours. This reliability wins repeat work. Keep improving proposals based on what gets responses. You finish by delivering on time with a concise milestone update that highlights completed tasks and next steps. This frames value. After a successful delivery, offer one logical upsell, additional revisions, or a monthly package so clients can scale with you. If a project stalls or a client is unresponsive, escalate. Set a clear deadline, propose a short next step, and offer a partial refund if necessary. This preserves reputation and closes the loop without wasting more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.